Hey guys, this is Martin Perdomo, the Elite Strategist, and you're listening to and/or watching on YouTube Latinos and Real Estate Investing Podcast. And today I want to share with you how to buy your first rental property during a recessionary period, right? So during a recession. First of all, you must first understand what is a recession. A recession basically is really simple. It just means consistent quarters of negative economic growth, right? So no growth in the economy. So what happens during a recession is people lose jobs, employers are not hiring as much, they're cutting down wages. So what you typically see is you see bankers tighten up restrictions and guidelines on lending money. I personally think that we're headed for stagflation here in the third quarter of the year when the numbers come out in July. So stagflation basically means if we have negative growth in our economy, so we're in a recession, and at the same time, we have inflation going up. And now that you have a basis of an understanding of what a recession is, now I want to share with you my 5 points and what are the things you need to do to buy your first rental property here in a recession. Here we go. Number one is know your numbers, get educated. Understand the numbers, right? When you're buying real estate, make sure that you have ran your numbers and you've ran them with multiple exit strategies. Example, we are currently buying properties, and when I buy a flip, and I do this even in an up market, even when the market is hot, I do this. I have multiple strategies because I can never time the market. I don't know when it's going to correct. No one does. No one has a crystal ball. What I do is I study the market well, I study the data, and if the market decides to turn on me, a COVID happens, a sudden movement, something that I can't control happens in the market, then I have another strategy. Number two is focus on cash flow, not on appreciation. So when we flip properties, make sure that during a recession, you want to buy a property, focus on the cash flow, because usually during recessionary periods, values are going down, not up. Focusing on what that can produce for you and your family, that's what you want to focus on during recessionary periods. The appreciation will come later, but it doesn't come when you're in a recession. Number three, play in the affordable space. We play in the affordable space all the time, but my suggestion to you is play in the affordable space because during recessionary periods, people start to lose their homes, they start to lose their jobs, things are tough. So now if you can buy right, give a clean, safe space for people and make it affordable where it's not an exuberant price or it's not way out there, you will always have residents to fill your vacancies. Try to buy C-class properties in B-class neighborhoods. That's what we like to focus on, or look for C-class properties in C-class neighborhoods. Right. Number four, build a team. Get a realtor, get a contractor, get a lender, and a property manager, and a wholesaler on your team. These are people you must start building and networking with. If you don't have them, start building with them now. So I'm a big advocate of meetups. Start attending meetups. If you have not, you need to get into these circles where these people are hanging out. Go to the Meetup app, and this is not a promotion for Meetup, but this is a great resource. Meetup app, and look for real estate investors clubs near you and go to those events. This is where these people are. Number five, study. Study the market you're playing in. Watch the trends, know the players, know the data, understand who's coming into your market, understand the migration patterns, understand who's the biggest employer in your area, understand what the medium rent is, know what the medium income is. I'm going to give you a resource where you can find all of this information in one place, and that's bestplaces.net. That's one of the places that I use as a resource tool when I'm studying a market. You're going to get population growth over the last 10 years. You're going to find average income. You're going to find average rents for 1, 2, 3, 4 bedroom studios. You want to make sure that you're pricing your rents accordingly so it's affordable for them, right? The general rule is 33 to 40%. You want to kind of be there. If you play in that space and you buy right where you could still be profitable by playing in that space, you're going to make a lot of money. You're never going to have a vacant. I'm not going to say never. The likelihood of you having a challenge with filling vacancies is going to be very unlikely. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening to me. If you like this content and you appreciate it, do me a solid, give us a thumbs up, drop us a comment, let me know what you think. Hey, did I miss something? Or would you add something, or would you take away something on how to buy your first rental property during a recession? Guys, I really, really appreciate you guys watching and listening. Thank you again. Peace out. See you soon. So guys, if you like this video you just watched, click on this video up here. It might be something you might like. And guys, I really appreciate you guys watching. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Peace out.